guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, if you're first time stopping by, you are definitely welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, just go right there now, please, and click on the subscribe button. So today's makeup is gonna be a simple nude makeup for black women, and I love everything about black women, so I'm going to try to create something as natural as possible. First of all, I'll be going in with a primer, and this is Pond's Lasting Oil Control Vanishing Cream for very oily skin. Guys, if you see my face, you know that I have very sensitive skin. Pro Coverage HD Long Wear Illuminating Foundation in the shade Coffee, and then this Mary Kay foundation here at number Bronze 607. Of this concealer here, and this is Toast and Toffee. Using this mini beauty blender, and I'll be pushing it in. I'm not just like spraying it all over. And just small powder to my lid. We're using this shade here, this shade here for my transition color. To use this shade here, like blend everything in. Using this, I'm going to use this shade here, like dipping my crease, and I'm going to be using this for my lid color. And use this shade here and this shade here and here to like set the rest of my face. start contouring my face, and I'm using that same face powder, this shade right here and this, to contour my face. So I'm going to quickly go over and put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, I went ahead and put up some lashes, did my mascara, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and just dust off this excess powder that is here and apply some bronzer to it. I'm going to apply this on my lips. Yes, concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and start lining my lips. So guys, I'm going ahead to set my face now with my Zara Perfect Finish. Oof. So guys, that's basically the end of this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you feel. Talk to me. Let's just at the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to bring your friends. Draw them to this channel. Let's have let's cruise, you know, let's flow. So that's it. I love you guys. Thanks for sticking around.